And we have more news coming in as far as these developments over the Saif case is concerned. The Mumbai police is soon going to be recording the statement of Kolkata resident Kumoni Sheikh, whose Aadhaar card was used by Sharaful Islam to get a SIM card in Kolkata. Vidya is with us for more details. Vidya, so this is a case of forged documents as well, forgery as well. The Aadhaar card of a person, a resident of Kolkata, was used by Sharaful Islam to get a SIM card in Kolkata. Okay, we'll just connect with Vidya in a moment from now, but these are details that we have with us as far as the investigations against illegal immigrant Sharaful Islam, the man allegedly behind the attack on Saif Ali Khan, is concerned. Days after the arrest of in fact, the accused here, of Sharaful Islam here, we in fact are learning that the cops are going to be recording a statement of the Kolkata resident. Remember, a resident from Kolkata's whose Aadhaar card was used by Sharaful Islam to get a SIM card in Kolkata. This person's statement is going to be recorded. Kumoni Sheikh, whose Aadhaar card was used by Sharaful Islam. Going straight to Vidya for more. Yes, Vidya.
Yes, in this particular case, Mumbai police will really have to go back all the way as to how he really arrived here. What was the purpose of his visit to Mumbai, whether he really was coming here only to look for a job, or did he have crime on his mind when he came here. So obviously, the agent who brought him here will have to be looked up. The Mumbai police is trying to find out who the person was who helped him cross the border into Meghalaya, and from there he came to Assam, and then from there to Kolkata. All that track of establishing how he is an illegal immigrant who came here with the help of certain people and then indulged in this crime. All those things will be part of the entire investigation, and probably also the ground for the reasons on which the Mumbai police will be seeking his further custody today in the Bandra court where I am located.
Right, Vidya, getting in those details as far as these developments are concerned regarding the investigations. Let's tell our viewers a little more about this whole matter as far as the investigations are concerned. But before that, the pieces are being put together. The dots are getting connected gradually in this entire matter, even as the family members of Sharaful Islam say that he isn't the person behind this attack. And this is, that he's getting implicated is what they believe, isn't it, Vidya?
In fact, there are probably, if you remember, when the entire investigation had started at that time, Mumbai police still wanted to find out if this person was operating alone, or was he, having any kind of accomplices. And so obviously Mumbai police as of now has been able to find out only that he was, this was probably his first try wherein he tried to break into the house of a rich family. It's only then, after breaking in, that he realized that this was an actor's family. Of course, being a novice, the way he acted, if he was a professional burglar, you probably would not have attacked Saif Ali Khan the way he did. That's something that the Mumbai police has been very clear on, and have been stating that they're having seen a lot of burglars around. This is not the kind of reaction that generally, people who do professional burglary actually do. But leaving that aside, Mumbai police definitely has lots of work on its hand. It will have to investigate further into this case as to whether anyone was going to help him, because remember, as is being said, he was planning to take some money from this entire incident. After making some money, he wanted to make some Indian documents as well. So who was he in touch with? All those factors will have to be investigated by Mumbai police, and they will certainly be looking into it.